All right. So, Scotty, tell me about all of our wiring fun that you've had today to figure out. Yeah, we know it's been like an 11-hour day for you.
By the time we're done, it'll be 11-and-a-half-hour day. Like, legitimately, it'll be 11-and-a-half-hour day. No, I'm actually at 12 because I technically got here at 4.
Yeah.
But we won't get into that. But whatever. So a lot of the original problems that we were having was trying to figure out why we couldn't get the window motors to work. So the original ones were just bad. It happens. It happens. Not a big deal. So we let the owner know. He bought new window motors. We tested them before they went in. They were good. I tested them in the car. They were good. Just adding power to make sure the windows would go up and down. There was no alignment issues. No, nothing. We got them running. Good. Not a problem. Now we ran all the harnesses. Got everything taken care of. Everybody saw the multiple videos of the stereo working, not working, working, not working, working. Just broken record.
Yeah. It was a hell of a chase.
And we had to do a little bit of wiring for the last bit of the air conditioning. Not a big deal. We were buttoning up systems anyway, so it just is one of those that it is what it is. So as I'm going over everything, we routed everything for the air conditioning. I'm like, okay, that's good. That's done. Let me close the hood, get that out of my way. Now I'm like, I need to tackle the windows. And I'm double checking power. There's no power. There's no ground. There's just nothing. And I couldn't for the life of me. I'm like, I know we didn't cut into anything. We didn't splice into anything. You know, double check the fuse. There's no power at the fuse. But when you take the fuse out and you run power through it, it would be good.
Yeah, it would work perfectly fine.
So I'm like, I don't get it. So back chasing wires, somewhere in the harness, I'm not mentioning the company's name, I'm not in the mood to deal with it.
I will, because I can't stand them.
No, we don't need to, whatever, it's done.
We've had problems with them before.
Yeah, but it's done, it's over with, the car's running, we got the issues fixed. So like I was saying, I was back chasing wires, and we found that there's an electrical short on the positive side for the windows. So I get that fixed.
This guy.
So get that fixed. I'm like, okay, now we should be able to do the windows. So now I have to back chase at the ground. Take care of the ground. Still not getting anything. So I keep forgetting that the windows are grounded to the body on the doors. And then the switches are grounded going to the window motors. The switches, the ground is bad. All new grounds, new powers, new grounds at the doors. And, we already know by the previous video, they work. Mm-hmm. So I had to apply the exact same logic to the stereo because we already know the stereo works. I mean, multiple videos of the antenna working, great, no problems, it's tripping it. Stereo sounds, pardon my French, fucking amazing. I like it. It's got great high end, good mid range, not a lot of bass, but enough for what it is. It sounds amazing.
It's a little car. You
don't really have a whole lot of room for sound, so everything you put in is going to be really good, but the owner of the car picked some really, really good speakers. I like them. Mm-hmm. So, that being said, I'm like, all right, next day, radio doesn't work. I'm like, no one touched anything, but the radio doesn't work. So I said, okay, check the fuse on the back of it. Fuse is good. Ran power to it, through it, used the ohm meter, which is still sitting right there. Double checked everything, went, okay, well, the fuse is good on the back of the radio, but we still don't have power. Come to find out, in the harness, you have red is your power, black is your negative, common on any stereo, yellow is your memory, and orange is your constant memory for a stereo. So you have your memory for like clock, your constant memory for your channels and whatnot in the stereo. Great, not a problem. All new orange, all new yellow, all new red, and all new ground. So all the powers, the memory, all of it had to be completely redone, rerouted, and remade. Because the harness itself, I swore once, I won't do it again in the video, is... So that's all fixed. Previous video or latter video, however this is going to be edited, I don't know. we'll show you that the stereo works, the windows work, the AC's buttoned up. That's on the previous video that I've already done, which will be uploaded either tonight or tomorrow. I don't know which.
It's all going up.
So it's done.
It's as done as it's gonna be.
Yeah.
I have to do. We're gonna check the toe on the alignment.
Yep, because the tires are brand new. We do not want these tires getting messed up.
Yeah, we're gonna do that first. We'll do that first thing in the morning.
Yep.
We're gonna make sure our steering wheel is square.
Yep.
And be good.
Well,
there.
it's actually round.
There we go.
Thank God he's laughing. I thought he was gonna hang himself from the drop down up there. So we gotta do those two things. I'm gonna program the speedo in the morning.
And then she'll get a cleaning, a wipe down, Windex the windows, make sure that it's clean and ready to go. And
Kick panels.
yep, and to the owner of the car, we didn't get kick panels, which are your base pieces on the inside of the car. Bernsey, if you want to show, please.
Go right there.
Yep, there's one for driver and one for passenger. And we didn't get any.
I'm
with
gonna
the car.
double check our videos to make sure.
Yeah, but I don't ever remember having them with the car, like ever.
So, let me
if
double
you
check.
have them, let me know and I'll put them in for you. That's not an issue. We can do that. I just want the car as good as we can get it for the moment.
Yeah. So
Um,
that doesn't take any time to do anything.
Yeah, no,
So
exactly.
we gotta do that. I'm gonna basically that's about it.
Yeah,
And then Mo can finally take her home.
yep, and driver and enjoy her like he's wanted to do for a while, but it's been
So much work.
a trail of tears with this car because every time we've turned around, get a new corner, get a new milestone of, yes, it's fixed. Oh,
Yeah.
crap, somebody messed this up before we got here. Oh, no, we got to fix that.
It's definitely been a project where it's either A, we've encountered
Yep,
other people's messes,
Yep.
which at the beginning that's what it was.
oh yeah,
a lot.
it was destroyed.
Then we got our new harnesses and everything. We're like, oh, okay, good. This should just go right together.
Yep, nope.
Then it's time for instrument cluster and all that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's like a year back order on
On factory, yeah.
factory style
Yeah.
gauges. So it's like, okay, we got to go to the digital then if we want to try
Which
to make some
still
progress.
looks badass.
Yeah,
as
it
hell.
looks way cool.
It does.
I like it. I'm cool with it. Man,
Oh,
that's
yeah.
a lot of work.
Yeah.
But it's in. It all works. I got to get the speedo sorted out in the morning. That's just a quick test drive. Hopefully it works right. Bing, bang, boom, done.
Yep.
And then that's it. But I mean, it's been, like you said,
Yeah,
progress, setback.
Yep.
Progress.
3 steps forward, 8
Setback.
steps back.
Because there's just so much that was not right when the
Yeah.
car originally arrived.
Yeah, it was just
And
bad.
it's just, there's nothing we can do.
And it wasn't
other
the
than-
owner's fault by no means. He had no clue.
Some of
you know?
this goes back to previous owners,
Yeah.
long before Mo.
Oh, without a doubt.
I mean,
Without
we
a
found
doubt.
that auction information
Yep.
and found the car and
Yep.
all that good stuff. And, well,
Yeah, I hate it when good people get taken advantage of when they're selling a car or buying a car or whatever. And you get somebody like Mo, who's just an amazing guy. He really is. And they raked him over the coals. And that's exactly what it comes down to. They raked him over the coals. When they sold him this car, they knew there was problems with it. There's no doubt in my mind. None.
and
It
then
just- it
we
is
get
what it
in
is.
there and go, okay, oh, this is going to be easy. Just rewire it, plug and
It's-
play.
it's-
It
yeah.
should have been plug and play,
Nope.
and then away
it's
it
not.
goes. And then, okay, it's missing all this stuff. It's missing all this. It has this in that's all hacked in. It doesn't work right.
The one thing that stands out of my mind the most, out of the original harness that was in the car, is there was 7 ground wires hooked to one ground wire. Okay, well that's fine. As long as you're routing it properly, you can do 1 to 7, that's fine. But neither end of the wire was hooked to anything. And they were using wire nuts for a house to connect the wires.
Between
And the
that-
blue clamshell ones, that you clap
Vampire
the-
clips.
that goes like this and then no, those.
Fuck those. Between that mess and, let's see here, no speaker brackets.
Oh yeah, it was just
The
whoever.
one thing we still don't have is the defrost duct.
Yeah,
But, you know, I mean, it's
the owner wants to enjoy his car.
Yeah.
And we get it. We get it. I don't want any hard feelings. He's an amazing guy. He's been through enough with this car. He's at that
Stop
point
the
where he
bleeding.
he wants to
just
he
get
wants
it
to
where
drive
it's
and enjoy
drivable
it.
and enjoy your car.
Yeah.
You got these nice, badass Mickeys on the back.
Oh yeah.
Need to do some sweet burnouts, Mom.
Yeah, exactly.
Have some fun. Go out, have some fun, cruise the car, enjoy it.
Yep. But on that note, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going home and taking a nap.
Yeah, you've been
I'm
here.
tired.
What time is it?
4:30.
Yeah, you got here